Hello friends, welcome in this video. In this video, I'm going to tell you how to install IDE for C and C++ programming. So here is a simple code block, and this software is very useful because this have the compiler build software. If you install some other IDEs which don't have the compiler, so you need to install separately. So here I will click on download, and here is some files to download source file code. You can modify the program ID using source code, but I will download binary release. So click on the binary release. As you click, you will see the different download options here for the Microsoft Windows, and here are some setups you can download, and here is the zip file. And also I will download the first setup with the force of this website, and here will be the downloading option, code block download. As you click on this, download will be started. Now the file is downloading in my computer. So after downloading, I will install this software because this software is very handy and not very typical. Some other IDEs like this and Eclipse, NetBeans, but this code block ID is very simple for every beginner students who want to learn C and C++ programming. So I will just double click on this and I will try to install in my system. As you double click, this will take little time to open and install. So installation process is ready. Now click next, then click agree, and again click next and click install. The installation is started, and now we have fast forwarded. Now you want to use and run this code block. Now click yes, then click finish. As you click finish, this will ask you to check the compiler in your system, which is installed as a MinGW. Now the system is installing code block. Here you can see GNU GC compiler detected. Then press OK. As you press OK, you will see the first interface of this. So simply go to File, New, then File, click C++ source and go. As you click on the go, click on the next. Here run program, I will use C. So click next, and you will find the path. So first of all, click and create a folder where we want to store my programs. The source code will be stored in this folder. So I will write the C programs. This is the folder name, and select, then open. Now type the first program name. So I will type hello world because this is the first program for the C language. Now click save, then finish. Now I will type the first program here, which is starting from the hash include. The header file is std.io.h. Just close angular bracket and then hit enter again. I will type ant main function, which is the basic body of the program of the C language. The basic program will be start from here, int main, and then curly braces. Inside this curly bracket, I will write the first statement printf, and then I will pass a string here, hello world. How to write a string? You will see the double quotes will write the string. Now return 0. Click build and run it. Here you can see the first program hello world is printed here. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe my YouTube channel. Thank you.